big one. Bon dia, bon dia. It's day 3. Starting off with our acai per usual. Con tudo, which means with everything, the granola, the banana, the honey, and the strawberry. A couple things. So yesterday on that hike when I was looking for the cave that we did not find, I ended up getting some bites in here. And I've got a history with these things. Garrett was there in Panama. We go to Panama for adventure hunt every year, and twice down there I've gotten horrible bites on my ankles. We determined through some WebMD self-diagnosing that it was sand fleas. I don't think these are that. I think these are probably like chiggers or something from when I was climbing into the weeds, but I'm gonna keep an eye on this because this is like my arch nemesis, bites on my ankles. Beautiful day in Rio here. Leme Beach, Copacabana Beach. Just beautiful skies, beautiful water, beautiful beach. Beautiful people as far as the eye can see. So we've decided to make today just a beach day. A little sore from the hike yesterday, plus we're gonna do more hikes later. Today's also the hottest day that we're here. It's gonna be about 90 degrees, like 88, 89. And as you can see, totally clear skies. So we're thinking we'll go from beach to beach to beach, stay nice and cool, explore all the beaches, and then tomorrow kind of pick back up with some of the more adventurous hikes and things like that. Might try my hand at the surfboard, we'll see. So this sign is new. Now I don't read Portuguese too well, but this feels like a no diving sign. And ironically, the spot we would jump from is right here. So we would dive off this exact spot. We weren't the only ones, other people were doing it too, but it feels like maybe they've changed their minds and don't want people doing it anymore, so I guess we won't. Guys, all the drone footage that you see in any of these Brazil videos, all of the drone footage is by Garrett. Again, check him out on Instagram, at Team Garrett on Instagram. Fantastic drone footage. Garrett, we thank you. Okay, we got the drone footage, decided to not jump off the rock. We're now walking away from Leme Beach towards Copacabana Beach, and we're gonna meet up with a friend clear down at Leblon Beach. So we're just gonna beach hop a little bit today. The main thing we wanted to do at Leme Beach was jump off the rock and get some drone footage. We got the drone footage. We did not jump off the rock because nobody else was, and there's a sign right next to it, the jumping spot that said no diving. So we got 1 out of 2. Something though I'm thinking about as we're here, I mean, this is winter. Look up at the sky. This is winter in Rio, okay? This is like, if you live in North America or anywhere in the Northern Hemisphere, this is like their February, okay? It's August 31st, so this would be like the end of August or the end of February for the Northern Hemisphere. And look at this weather. Sunny skies, it's 85 degrees right now. Palm trees are glistening, it's phenomenal. And so if you lived here, you are waking up every morning and putting on the sunscreen, because if you don't, you are going to burn. I'm already feeling it, but I do have sunscreen on. Don't want to burn. Okay, we got some more guys here playing foot volley, and they're a lot better than the guys yesterday, so let's see what he's got. sand gets so hot that they have these little pathways with water coming out. That way you can walk on the wet sand and not burn your feet. And again, it's winter here, and they have to have that. This place doesn't get better than Rio. Taking our turn, walking on the wet sand, although this one's not on anymore, so it's starting to dry out, but it's still nice and cool. Also a new addition from the last time I was here, they have the freshwater showers now on the beach. They had them before, or maybe it's still this way down at Ipanema, I don't know, but we were down in Ipanema, and you had to pay to use the shower, so I paid, and I didn't know it was a timed thing, so the timer ran out, and I still was all sudsy, because it was like full shampoo, soap, everything. So I had shampoo in my hair, soap all over my body, and the water just stopped. So I'm like trying to figure out how to talk to the lady, get her to turn it back on, and eventually we got it figured out with the help of some Portuguese speaking people. But anyway, now they have showers here for free consumption. We are now here on epic Copacabana Beach, one of the more epic beaches in the world. Wouldn't you say, Garrett?
I'd say it's one of the top 5.
Okay, let's have that discussion. What are some of the most epic beaches in the world? And let's go with like this type of beach, like a Copacabana, very well known, touristy.
Bondi Beach.
Bondi Beach in Sydney, Australia, absolutely, been there. Comment below what you think the most epic beaches are in the world as we do this. Again, we're focusing on beaches that are very well known, touristy. I would say South Beach. South Beach in Miami, Florida is one.
Waikiki.
Waikiki in Honolulu on the island of Oahu, definitely. Maybe Venice Beach you could throw in there. You think of any others? Now we're not saying these are the prettiest beaches in the world, although it's tough to argue against this one, Copacabana. But when we're saying just epic in terms of well-known and touristy, comment below more that you think are just belong on this list with Copacabana, Bondi, Waikiki, South Beach, maybe Venice Beach. Venice Beach isn't really in that same category, but it's close. Getting in the water for the first time on this trip. A little chilly Atlantic. But it feels good. It feels great, actually. Two brothers in the background. This is Leme Beach. It's connected with Ipanema. Pretty good wave coming in. And another one. Big set coming in. These waves got nothing on us. So epic. Would you body surf these waves? Okay, we got our cangas here. A canga is basically a towel, but bigger and thinner. And they do this so that they don't get their towels all gross and sandy and wet. The towel's more just for drying off. The canga is for lounging on. Also, local favorite, the guarana. I got the guarana light, or the zero. Garrett got the regular one. His tastes better, but it's a very famous Brazilian drink. So, just some more info for you there. Lunch is served. The old hamburger. Delicioso. Today has been a very nice, chill day, just relaxing on the beaches. We're now back at the Airbnb to change real quick. We're going to go on a hike. We're actually going to hike to a similar spot that we were yesterday for the paragliding. Apparently it's a great spot for the sunset, Pedra Bonita. And a friend that we met last night is going to take us there. So we're doing that now. But before we do that, before we leave, I thought I should probably give you a quick Airbnb tour. So it is not clean at all. We've been here for a couple days already. It's not clean, so forgive me for that. We're going to do a quick tour. We'll start the tour with the socks that I washed in the sink the other day. And they're now nice and dry out here. So yeah, in we go. This is my room. Nice, you know, it's dirty. I got my clothes and stuff everywhere. TV. Bathroom here. Just a regular bathroom. They do have the bidet. And then coming down here, we've got the hallway. This is the main door here. There's Garrett. Garrett, say hi to all your fans. And then he's got 2 twin beds. These are actually smaller than twin beds, but he doesn't mind it. So what he liked about this room was, bam, that. So he can lay in bed and get that view. So he took the smaller bed in exchange for the better view. So that's my balcony over there. This is his balcony here. And we get this amazing view. So epic. I could live here. You can see the beach is just covered in umbrellas down there. But yeah, so his room, he had his own bathroom but down there as well. And then this is our balcony. This is into the kitchen. And then, boom, into the main room. So this is our Airbnb in Ipanema. See, he's stretching out, getting ready to go for the hike. How you feeling from yesterday's hike?
I'm sore from yesterday.
Yeah?
So
We got another hike today and another hike tomorrow. So this is the Airbnb. Does this Airbnb have a name? Kitchen. I don't know if that's the name on Airbnb, but it is at Tiffany's residence at Ipanema Beach. So if you search that on Airbnb, you could find it. It's not the nicest place in the world. Like it's decently nice, but again, the location is what we loved the most. The location. So you can't beat these views. You can't beat this balcony. It's pretty awesome, and it was really inexpensive too. Okay, we've got our Uber driver.
Tata driver.
Tata, the Uber driver. She's not really our Uber driver. This is our amiga. We have been stuck in traffic for quite some time. We're hoping to catch the sunset. Her friend is up there waiting for us, but apparently the trail closes or something, right?
Yes.
The parking lot closes at 5, and so the friend, her amiga, is supposed to be making friends with the security guards, maybe flirting with them a little bit, you know, whatever.
No. I promise not true.
To keep it open, because we're now about 10 minutes late or more, yeah. So we're trying to get on this trail to go catch the sunset. The sun is going down quickly, so we didn't make the sunset.
I'm sad. I'm really sad.
Tata is sad. Garrett is just livid back here.
so pissed.
Just yelling and screaming. Just kidding. No, we didn't make it, but her friend, Nicole, is coming down. So I'm going to speak Russian to her. I'm going to try and convince Garrett to speak French to her.
Please.
Apparently she does not speak English, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We don't speak Portuguese, obviously, so this will be fun. Привет, как дела? He's like, why is he filming right now? Meet my camera. This is my camera.
Ele é YouTuber. He's a YouTuber.
This is yeah, I'm a tuber and you're an Uber.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
What's your name?
Oh, I say high five.
Nicole.
And
I
all.
already knew that.
And you?
Nicole, Sean.
Sean?
Yeah. Garrett. All right, we got Plan B, the Chinese Vista. We made it here to the Chinese Vista just in time, and we didn't have to do a long hike, which we did yesterday. Plus, 3 times being here in Rio, I've never seen this before, so this is something new. Let's check it out. Okay, this is a tutorial video on how to do an Instagram photo shoot. So you want to have your one amiga here with the phone. The other amiga here, Acai. Linda. Linda means like cute or pretty in Portuguese. Trying to find a restaurant. Nicole here, she has a lot of fome, which means she's super hungry.
Morrendo de fome.
What'd she
She's
say?
upset. She's dying.
So we call that in English, we call that hangry,
Hungry.
which is like hungry and angry combined.
Oh yes.
Hangry. So she's hangry right now. Wait, how do you say it in Portuguese?
Faminto or morrendo de fome. The best.
Okay. Well, it's hangry in English. did reach the restaurant. Nicole is now happy. Look how happy she is. She got a delicious omelet with chicken and cheese and other stuff. Garrett loaded up on the drinks here. And we may have found the best acai. Yeah, give the cameras. Okay. Best acai in Rio, we think. And oakberry, yeah. Garrett and I are still waiting for our food. Have you tasted this yet?
Yeah.
Pineapple with mint, very good. I feel like I like pineapple itself better than pineapple with mint. Abacaxi is pineapple in Portuguese. Well, we've had a really fun, pretty chill day, relaxing day, epic beaches. Quick update before we sign off on this vlog on the bug bites. So I went to the pharmacy. They're itching really bad. That one's pretty bad. So this leg must have gotten in some sort of bush that had them, and it's just itching really bad, especially back here on like my Achilles. We went to the pharmacy and got some stuff, like an antihistamine essentially. This one is for daytime, non-drowsy. Got one for nighttime, drowsy. Gonna stock up on these tonight, knock myself out so I can sleep. Got an ointment that actually seems to be working better than like hydrocortisone. It actually says specifically for bug bites. Got that, and then something I learned in Panama, I got waterproof Band-Aids. What I do is at night, I'm gonna Band-Aid each one of them so that I don't scratch them during the night, because it only makes the problem worse. So if you have bug bite issues like me, keep that stuff in mind, and maybe use some bug spray when you go into the mountains here in Brazil. That is it for today, though. We are both pretty exhausted, and tomorrow we're hiking Two Brothers, which is one of the top things on our list, actually, that we haven't done yet. And then we might go down to Pontal, which we have been to before, but it's pretty epic. So we're going to try and get some rest tonight and hope for a big day tomorrow. Later.